Well, good morning, Vegas. It's an honor to present at MetalCon 2025, where innovation meets impact. As we gather to check on the latest advancements in metal craftsmanship, I invite you to imagine a build that goes beyond the roofs and walls. A structure that seals more than joints, it seals a promise. A promise of durability for those who've given so much. Today, we're not just talking about sealants and structures. We're talking about a mission. The Eagle's Landing, built right here on the show floor, is more than a showcase of metal and silicone mastery. It's a future place to offer healing and relaxation for our veterans. Because when you're building for those you've served, compromise isn't an option. Products like NovaFlex Pro silicone can transform a build from good to great. So let's seal the deal not just for today, but for a lifetime. All right, hopefully you enjoyed that little video. So at NovaGuard, we are focused on innovation that either enables our customers to deliver advanced products to the various markets they serve. So NovaGuard was founded in 1977 as a PVC foam manufacturer and then expanded into sealants in 1987. So NovaGuard formulates and manufactures silicone sealants in the USA in Cleveland, Ohio. So at NovaGuard, we have multiple innovation solutions across multiple segments. So I'm the VP of Building Systems, but we've also include EES and Industrial in our buildings portfolio. So we develop products from fast UV cures in seconds technology to high strength and flexible 1- and 2-part silicones for industrial and building systems. Technology we can leverage across the various segments. Also, products are backed by the highest standards, from a plant that's ISO certified by design to products that are PFAS free and VOC compliant in all 50 states. So why are NovaGuard silicones the best choice for your projects? In one word, it's all about durability. Silicones are unmatched in long-term weathering performance within the construction segment. So there's a host of other chemistries out there, but silicones are the only chemistry that are inorganic. All the other chemistries that are that you could look at for your project build are organic, so they break down in UV, so hybrids, polyurethanes, polysulfides, solvent-based, latex, acrylics. UV silicones they can last 20 plus years, whereas all the other products could break down within a year. So what you'll see is they'll start cracking under UV exposure, where silicones won't crack over UV exposure. So that's the biggest benefit that they bring to the project. Silicones also have a widest temperature range, so they perform in the coldest climates to the hot environments. And they also withstand thermal cycling through the day and night cycling throughout the seasons. Silicones can be formulated for high strength and elongation and adhere to many different substrates. At NovaGuard, we manufacture a wide range of products with a variety of packaging, from cartridges, sausages, pails, and drums. So whatever the customer end use is, we've got a product and a packaging type that could fit their need. So a few silicone products that we want to highlight. Again, we have a host of products, a lot of SKUs, but I wanted to focus on the few that are really focused for MetalCon, and the ones that we're going to use on this Eagles landing build as well. So the product I've got highlighted here is NovaFlex Pro. This was the first product we introduced in 1987. It's 100% NutriCure silicone. It's UV stable, 24-month shelf life, and again, has great adhesion to metal roof and panel. And then we also offer a wide standard color offering, matching most of the coil manufacturers' colors. NovaFlex Gutter and Gutter Plus are solvent-free, 100% NutriCure silicones, great for sealing gutters and any rainwater diverting systems. And then we also offer a hybrid, NovaBond Pro, which is our paintable. It's ready to paint in 30 minutes with no solvents. All of these products are industry-leading products in the market. And then finally, our translucent metal roof and repair patch mastic. This is a previous MetalCon Top Product Award winner. Great for doing minor repairs to metal roof and repair versus complete replacement of the panel. So it's a translucent mastic that you can put on to any of the metal panels if you had damage. So with that, come visit us at booth 6099, and I'll hang around for questions. Thank you.
Yeah.